Do you know what's in your food? It's a question that might seem simple at first glance, but the answer is far more complex and at times unsettling. We're not just talking about calories and nutrients, but invisible dangers that pose a very real threat to our health. These are the hidden hazards of foodborne illnesses, a silent epidemic that affects millions of people every year. Foodborne diseases are a widespread and growing public health problem, both in developed and developing countries. They're caused by the ingestion of foodstuffs contaminated with microorganisms or chemicals. The onset of symptoms may occur within minutes to weeks and often presents as gastrointestinal problems like abdominal pain, diarrhea, and vomiting. In severe cases, it could lead to long-term health complications or even death. In this video, we're going to focus on two major culprits of foodborne illnesses, Salmonella and E. coli. These two pathogens are responsible for a significant proportion of foodborne disease outbreaks worldwide, and they come from sources you might eat every day: raw chicken and minced beef, as well as fresh produce like romaine lettuce. Salmonella, a type of bacteria, is most often associated with raw or undercooked chicken, while E. coli, another bacteria, is frequently linked with minced beef and fresh produce. Both of these bacteria can cause serious illnesses if the food contaminated with them is consumed. And while cooking can kill these bacteria, cross-contamination during food preparation can still lead to illness. But this isn't a cause for panic. Rather, it's a call for awareness and action. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll discuss the nature of these pathogens, the diseases they cause, and how they end up in our food. We'll also share insights from experts like John Kobayashi, MD, and cases involving the lawyer William Bill Marler, who've devoted their careers to fighting for food safety. It's time we delve deeper into these invisible threats lurking in our meals. It's time to uncover the hidden dangers in our food and learn how to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Stay tuned as we unravel the truth behind what's really on our plates. Meet John Kobayashi, MD, a renowned epidemiologist who spent years studying Salmonella, a bacteria that's more common than you might think. This isn't some obscure germ lurking in the shadows. It's a front and center health risk, particularly in raw and undercooked chicken. Kobayashi's research paints a vivid picture of the Salmonella threat. He found that each year, Salmonella causes a staggering 1 million foodborne illnesses in the United States alone. That's a million stories of people who thought they were just enjoying a meal, only to end up sick, sometimes critically so. You see, Salmonella isn't just about an upset stomach or a few days of discomfort. It can lead to serious complications, including dehydration, bacteremia, that's when the bacteria enters your bloodstream, and even death. In fact, Kobayashi's research suggests that Salmonella is responsible for 420 deaths each year in the US. And what's the primary culprit? Chicken. Raw or undercooked chicken is a major source of Salmonella infections. Kobayashi's studies showed that the bacteria can be present in as many as 1 in 4 raw chicken parts. That's right, there's a 1 in 4 chance that the raw chicken in your fridge right now could be harboring this dangerous bacteria. But it's not just about the chicken on your plate. Salmonella can spread through cross-contamination in the kitchen. That means your salad, your freshly chopped veggies, even your hands could become vehicles for this bacteria. As Kobayashi's work reveals, Salmonella is more than just an upset stomach. It's a serious health risk. But don't worry, we're not here to scare you away from your favorite chicken dish. Knowledge is power, and understanding the risks and how to manage them can help keep you and your loved ones safe. So let's dive deeper into this issue, shall we? But it's not just meat that's a potential hazard. Let's turn our attention to E. coli. E. coli, short for Escherichia coli, is a type of bacteria that's commonly found in the intestines of people and animals. While most strains are harmless, some can cause serious foodborne illnesses. And it's not just limited to products like minced beef. Fresh produce, especially salad products such as romaine lettuce, can also become a breeding ground for this bacterium. You see, E. coli can contaminate fresh produce through various means, such as contaminated water or soil, or through contact with feces from infected animals. The bacteria can even survive on the surface of fresh produce, making washing not always an effective solution. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal? It's just a little stomach upset, right? Well, not exactly. While some people might experience mild symptoms like diarrhea and abdominal cramps, E. coli infections can escalate into life-threatening conditions like hemolytic uremic syndrome, or CHUS, which can lead to kidney failure. In some cases, E. coli infections can have long-term health impacts. Take the case of Brianne Keener, for example. In 1993, she was just a 9-year-old girl when she fell gravely ill after eating a contaminated hamburger. Her struggle with E. coli led to CHUS, causing her to be in a coma for 40 days. Even after recovering, Brianne continues to experience health complications to this day, a testament to the severe and lasting impact of E. coli infections. E. coli in fresh produce is a serious concern that cannot be taken lightly. It's a hidden threat that lurks in the most unexpected places, undermining our confidence in the safety of our food. Vigilance and awareness are our best defenses in ensuring that we and our loved ones are not the next victims of this silent invader. E. coli is a silent invader, often going unnoticed until it's too late. Enter William Bill Marler, a lawyer who's made it his mission to combat foodborne illnesses. A man on a mission, Marler has dedicated his life to fighting for the rights of those affected by such illnesses and advocating for stricter food safety regulations. His name has become synonymous with the fight for food safety, and his tireless work has left an indelible mark on the landscape of food safety regulations. Let's delve into some of the cases he's been involved in. Take the infamous Jack-in-the-Box E. coli outbreak in the early 90s. Marler represented over 100 individuals affected by the outbreak, resulting in a landmark ruling in food safety. His work didn't stop there. He's been involved in countless cases since, each one contributing to the ongoing fight for better food safety standards and regulations. Marler's words resonate with the urgency of this fight. He's quoted as saying, "Every time we eat, we are taking a risk. We have to trust that the food we are consuming is safe. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity." These aren't just words for Marler. They're a call to action. A call for better practices, stricter regulations, and a collective responsibility. Furthermore, Marler advocates for a more proactive approach to food safety. He stated, "We need to shift our mindset from reactive to proactive when it comes to food safety. We can't wait for an outbreak to occur before we take action." This statement underscores his commitment to prevent, rather than simply respond to, foodborne illnesses. It's clear that Marler's work is not just about winning cases. It's about changing the system. It's about advocating for the rights of consumers and ensuring that food safety is not an afterthought, but a priority. His fight is a testament to the importance of food safety and a reminder that it's a fight we all need to be a part of. As Marler's work shows, the fight for food safety is a fight for our health. Food safety is not just the responsibility of the food industry, but of each and every one of us. We are all key players in this arena, each with a crucial role. Proper food handling, from the supermarket to our kitchen, can make a significant difference in preventing foodborne illnesses. Remember, washing your hands, cooking meat thoroughly, and maintaining a clean kitchen environment are simple but effective steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Knowledge is power, and staying informed about food safety can arm us against potential threats. It's essential to be vigilant, to question, and to stay updated about the food we consume. Don't shy away from seeking information, because our health and that of our loved ones is in our hands. So let's take this journey together. Let's strive for a safer, healthier world through mindful food handling and preparation. Thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button for more informative videos like this one.